People usually confuse in RSI. So in today's video, we are going to deep dive into RSI. So please watch this video till the end. Just I am sharing mind map. Yes, RSI indicator, powerful tool for stock market analysis. What is RSI? Relative Strength Index is a momentum oscillator and this is used in technical analysis and it is developed by J. Wells Wilder. It measures the speed and change of price movements and what is the value? Value range between 0 to 100 helps identify overbought and oversold condition. RSI formula, RSI equal to 100 minus 100 divided by 1 plus RS, where RS is relative strength, usually calculated over 14 periods. But this formula is not important because we do not calculate RSI. RSI is indicator. We only put the indicator in trading view chart. RSI interpretation. If RSI is more than 70, it means overbought zone. Price may fall soon. And if you see RSI is less than 30, it means it is oversold zone. Price may rise soon. And if you see RSI is equal to 50, it is neutral level. How traders use RSI? Buy signal, RSI crosses above 30 from below. If RSI crosses above 30, just I am sharing trading view. Yeah, this is the RSI. This line is 70 and this line is 30. Okay, this is the overbought zone and this is the oversold zone. So if RSI crosses above 30 from below it crosses over 30, above 30, it is buy signal. And if RSI crosses below 70 from above it crosses below 70, it is sell signal. And trend confirmation, RSI is staying above 50, that is called bullish, and if below 50, it is bearish. Used with price action or other indicator like MACD or moving average. RSI pros and cons. RSI, it is easy to understand, works well in range-bound markets, highlights early reversal signal. Gives false signal in a strong trend, should not be used alone, combined with other tools. Final tips. RSI works best in sideways market, means consolidation phase. Use with confirmation, volume, trend line etc. Avoid buying just because RSI is less than 30 or selling just because RSI more than 70. That's all from my side. If you found this video useful, please press the like button. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel and put your question in comment below. Thank you so much.